A truck loaded with gas cylinders was reversing toward the factory entrance. Some workers had climbed near the load to help guide it. As the vehicle approached the wall, 2 workers managed to move away in time, but one faced a brief risk of being pinned. This incident reminds us of the dangers of standing on loads or being elevated near moving vehicles. Workers should never stand on loads during transport and must keep a safe distance when vehicles are moving. Gas cylinders and similar materials can shift. Therefore, guiding should only be done by spotters standing safely on the ground. Remember, the safest position is always on the ground, away from the load. In a busy production facility, a worker tried to manually guide a large steel coil being lifted by a crane. When the coil lost its balance, it swung rapidly, and the worker, standing dangerously close, was struck. This incident reminds us that loads lifted by cranes should never be guided by hand. Always use a tag line while the load is moving, and keep a safe distance from the swing area. Even a small movement can create uncontrollable force. The safest method is remote guidance. In a maintenance workshop, a worker touched a motor belt he thought had stopped. However, the system suddenly started, and as the belt began spinning rapidly, the worker lost his balance and was thrown backward. This incident reminds us that even machines that appear to be stopped can still hold residual energy. Machines should never be operated as a joke, test, or for recording purposes. Performing a safe shutdown takes far less time than dealing with an accident. Stay safe and subscribe for more workplace accident videos.